Hail to Wall Street, Willie. What is a debit card? A debit card, also called a bank card, is a plastic or metal card that is used to make purchases in-store or online. You can also use a debit card to pay bills, withdraw cash from ATMs, and more. Unlike a credit card, a debit card takes money directly from your checking account and is issued by the bank or credit union where you have an account. How does a debit card work? When you make a purchase using a debit card, you swipe, tap, or insert the debit card at the payment terminal, just like a credit card. You may need to enter a PIN or personal identification number in some places to verify your identity. Once your bank has authorized the transaction, the money goes directly from your checking account to the merchant. If there's enough money in the account to cover the purchase, it'll go through without any problems. However, if there isn't enough money, one of two things will happen. If you have overdraft protection, your bank will allow the transaction to go through by offering a loan to cover the difference and then charge you an overdraft fee. If not, your purchase will simply be declined and not go through. Although most debit cards don't have annual fees, they may charge other fees, like ATM transaction fee when you withdraw money from an ATM of a different bank, insufficient funds fee when you try to spend more than your bank account's balance, card replacement fee if your debit card is lost, stolen, or damaged, as well as foreign transaction fee when you use your card in a foreign country. What are the pros and cons of a debit card? That's a great question. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.